How to use Beanstalk Junior ESIB investment at properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Beanstalk is a clever UCAP that helps parents and relatives save for a child's future through a junior ESA. But most beginners set it up incorrectly and miss out on long-term growth. Here's how to use Beanstalk properly and the beginner mistakes that cost you. The first mistake is not linking family and friends. Beanstalk allows anyone to contribute directly to your child's account. Many parents never share the invite link, missing an easy way to grow the fund faster. Next, don't overlook investment choice. Beanstalk splits funds between a global equity tracker and a cash fund. Beginners often leave the default allocation untouched. If your child has many years before adulthood, consider a higher equity percentage for better growth potential. Another mistake? Forgetting about gift cards and roundups. These features let you invest spare change from purchases or receive gifts as contributions. Simple but powerful ways to grow consistently. Pro tip: review progress once a year. The app's growth projections show how small, regular deposits can add up to thousands by age 18. And here's something most people don't realize: junior ISAs are tax-free, meaning every penny of growth belongs to your child. The surprising truth: you don't need huge deposits to build a meaningful fund, you just need time and consistency. So, invite family, adjust your investments, and use every feature. Use properly, and Beanstalk turns small contributions into a lasting financial head start for your child's future.